What if just one hand tool could save you hours of frustration, money, and countless failed DIY projects? Today, we're counting down 15 genius hand tools that are so smart, you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. Stay until the end, because the #1 tool might be the biggest toolbox upgrade you'll make in 2026. KastKing Cutthroat 7-inch pliers and 5-inch. If you fish in salt water, cheap pliers won't last long, but the KastKing Cutthroat 7-inch pliers and 5-inch fishing scissors are built to handle the toughest conditions. Made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel with ultra-sharp tungsten carbide cutters, they slice braided line effortlessly and remove stubborn hooks with ease. Whether you're fishing offshore or at your favorite lake, this is one tool every serious angler should keep within reach. NEXTORCH Pioneer MT20. The NEXTORCH Pioneer MT20 isn't your average multi-tool. It's built for people who need to be ready for anything. Packed with 14 practical functions, including a universal handcuff key, heavy-duty scissors, and precision tools, it delivers serious performance in one compact design. Its rugged stonewash finish resists scratches and glare, making it ideal for first responders, security professionals, and everyday carry enthusiasts who demand reliability when every second counts. LAOA 8-in-1 Wire Stripper. What if your wire stripper could actually help prevent dangerous electrical mistakes? The LAOA 8-in-1 Wire Stripper features a built-in AC/DC voltage tester that quickly detects live wires before you start working. It strips, cuts, crimps, and tests, all in one compact tool. Whether you're a DIY homeowner or a professional electrician, this smart upgrade saves time, boosts safety, and earns a permanent spot in your toolbox. TOLSEN Wire Stripping Tool. Why carry 3 different tools when one can do it all? The TOLSEN Wire Stripping Tool Crimping combines wire stripping, cutting, and crimping into one durable, easy-to-use design. Its precision jaws deliver clean, accurate results while the ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip for long jobs. Whether you're wiring a vehicle, upgrading home electrical systems, or tackling DIY projects, this versatile tool makes every connection faster, cleaner, and more reliable. Mossy Oak Multi-Tool. The Mossy Oak Multi-Tool is the kind of gear you'll be glad to have when the unexpected happens. Packed with multiple essential tools, including pliers, knives, screwdrivers, and wire cutters, it handles everyday fixes, camping trips, and emergency situations with ease. Its rugged stainless steel construction is built to last, while the compact foldable design fits neatly in your pocket. It's a must-have everyday carry tool for anyone who loves being prepared. DURATECH 3-piece compound pliers set. Most pliers get the job done, but these make tough jobs feel surprisingly easy. The DURATECH 3-piece compound pliers set features a Gen 2 dual pivot design that delivers extra cutting power with less effort, making every squeeze count. Built from hardened chrome vanadium steel, it's perfect for electrical work, heavy-duty repairs, and DIY projects. If you're serious about upgrading your toolbox in 2026, this is one hand tool you'll wish you bought sooner. Ferrule Crimping Toolkit. Loose wire connections can cause big electrical problems, but this Ferrule Crimping Toolkit makes every crimp clean, secure, and professional. Its self-adjusting ratchet delivers consistent pressure across multiple wire sizes, while the included ferrules keep every project organized. Whether you're upgrading home wiring, building control panels, or tackling DIY projects, this is one of those hand tools that instantly makes your work look pro. HAUTMEC 3 pieces. Water pump pliers. Stubborn pipes and rounded bolts don't stand a chance against the HAUTMEC 3 pieces. Water pump pliers set. Its quick push-button adjustment and self-locking V-jaws deliver a powerful grip with less effort, making plumbing, automotive repairs, and DIY projects much easier. Built from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, these pliers are designed for long-lasting durability. Once you use them, you'll wonder why every toolbox doesn't come with a set. Lisle 17300 Flexible Hose Clamp. Tool-removing hose clamps in tight engine bays can be one of the most frustrating jobs, but the Lisle 17300 Flexible Hose Clamp tool makes it surprisingly easy. Its long, flexible cable reaches hidden clamps where regular pliers can't, while the locking mechanism keeps the clamp securely compressed. Whether you're replacing a radiator hose or tackling engine repairs, this is the kind of specialty tool every DIY mechanic wishes they had sooner. Mayhew Tools 90-degree hook and pick. Tiny clips, O-rings, seals, and hidden connectors can turn a simple repair into a headache. That's where the Mayhew Tools 90-degree hook and pick shines. Its precision machine tip easily reaches tight spaces, while the comfortable grip gives you maximum control without slipping. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, electronics, or detailed DIY projects, this compact tool makes delicate jobs faster, cleaner, and far less frustrating. Needle nose combination pliers. Don't let the slim design fool you. The needle nose combination pliers are built to handle jobs that larger tools simply can't reach. Their long, precision jaws easily grip, bend, twist, and cut wires in tight spaces, making them perfect for electrical work, automotive repairs, and detailed DIY projects. Made from hardened steel with comfortable anti-slip handles, they deliver excellent control and durability. Once these are in your toolbox, you'll find yourself reaching for them almost every day. Plastic tubing cutter. If you've ever struggled with rough, uneven pipe cuts, the plastic tubing cutter is about to become your new favorite tool. Its razor-sharp blade delivers clean, burr-free cuts through PVC, PEX, and other plastic tubing in seconds. No cracking, no extra cleanup. The ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, making every cut smooth and effortless. Whether you're tackling plumbing upgrades or DIY projects, this simple tool saves time and delivers professional-looking results every time. ValueMax Bolt Cutter Set. Some bolt cutters lose their edge after just a few tough cuts, but the ValueMax Bolt Cutter Set is built to keep going. Featuring heat-treated chrome vanadium steel jaws with a durable protective coating, it slices through bolts, chains, and hardened wire with impressive ease. The ergonomic handles provide extra leverage while reducing fatigue, making it an excellent choice for DIY projects, construction work, and demanding workshop tasks where strength and reliability matter most. WORKPRO Tools. The WORKPRO Tools set proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get professional-level performance. Designed with durable, hardened steel and comfortable anti-slip grips, these tools are built to tackle everything from home repairs to garage projects with confidence. Whether you're tightening, gripping, or fixing stubborn hardware, WORKPRO delivers dependable performance every time. It's the kind of toolbox upgrade you'll appreciate on every DIY project in 2026. Mini pliers. Wrench small enough to fit in your pocket but strong enough to replace multiple tools, the Mini Pliers wrench is a game changer for everyday repairs. Its smooth, adjustable jaws grip nuts and bolts without damaging the surface, making it perfect for plumbing, bicycle maintenance, electronics, and precision work. Lightweight, compact, and incredibly versatile, this little tool delivers big performance. And once you own one, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Which tool impressed you the most? Tell us in the comments, and if you love discovering genius gadgets, Hit subscribe because the next one might be even more unbelievable.